Ever wonder why some folks seem to attract wealth effortlessly? It's like they have a secret formula, right? But what if I told you that you could learn it too? It's not magic, luck, or even inheritance. It's all about mindset. The way you think about money shapes your financial destiny. You see, your thoughts about money directly impact your financial reality. Positive thoughts can lead to positive outcomes, while negative thoughts can hold you back. If you believe money is scarce or you're destined to be broke, guess what? You're right. Your beliefs create your reality, and a scarcity mindset can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. But here's the good news: you can change that story. By shifting your mindset, you can open the door to new opportunities and financial abundance. Think of your money mindset as the software that runs your financial life. Just like any software, it can be updated and improved. If it's programmed with negativity and limiting beliefs, it's time for an upgrade. Start by identifying those limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones. In this essay, we'll dive deep into the world of money mindsets and equip you with the tools to rewrite your financial future. We'll explore practical strategies and real-life examples to help you transform your financial outlook. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and unlock true financial freedom. It's time to take control of your financial destiny and create the life you've always dreamed of. We all have a unique money blueprint, a set of beliefs and habits about money ingrained in us from childhood. Maybe you grew up hearing, money doesn't grow on trees, or perhaps we can't afford that. These messages, though well-intentioned, can create limiting beliefs that hold us back financially. It's time to examine your money blueprint. What messages did you receive about money growing up? Were they empowering or limiting? Recognizing these deep-seated beliefs is crucial to understanding your current financial situation. Once you identify these beliefs, you can start challenging and replacing them with healthier, more supportive ones. One of the most powerful ways to shift your money mindset is by setting clear, specific financial goals. These goals act as a roadmap, guiding you towards financial success and stability. Where do you see yourself financially in 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years? Envisioning your future helps you set realistic and achievable milestones. Do you dream of owning a home, retiring early, or traveling the world? These dreams can become your financial goals, giving you a clear target to aim for. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and more manageable, allowing you to track your progress. Having a clear vision of your financial future keeps you motivated and focused. It serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It's like having a destination programmed into your GPS. You have a clear path to follow, and you can adjust your course as needed. You know where you're headed, and you have the guidance to get there. This sense of direction is crucial for maintaining momentum and staying on track. Remember, goals without action are just dreams. It's the steps you take towards achieving them that make all the difference. So, take that first step today and start turning your financial aspirations into reality. Whether it's saving a small amount each month or investing in your future, every action counts. Celebrate your milestones along the way and keep pushing forward. Your financial dreams are within reach, and with determination and planning, you can achieve them. Tip number 2: debt. The silent wealth killer. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. It's a heavy weight that holds you back from achieving your financial goals. High-interest credit card debt, student loans, and car payments eat away at your income, leaving you with less money to save, invest, and enjoy life. The first step to conquering debt is to acknowledge it and commit to becoming debt-free. Create a budget, track your spending, and explore different debt repayment strategies, like the debt snowball method. Imagine the feeling of liberation that comes with being debt-free. You'll have more money to invest in your future and live life on your terms. Tip number 3: spend smarter, not harder. You don't have to be a millionaire to manage your money effectively. It's all about making conscious spending choices. Distinguish between your needs and wants. Do you really need that new gadget, or is it just a fleeting desire? Learning to delay gratification and making mindful purchasing decisions can significantly impact your financial well-being. consider creating a budget to track your income and expenses. This allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional with your spending and making your money work for you. Tip number 4, your journey to financial freedom. Changing your money mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes over time. Don't get discouraged if you slip up or face setbacks along the way. Financial freedom is not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. Paid off a credit card? Saved an extra $100 this month? Give yourself credit for every step you take towards financial wellness. Remember, you are in control of your financial destiny. Tip number 5, take control of your future. Now that you understand the power of a healthy money mindset, it's time to take action. This is where the real journey begins, and every step you take can lead you closer to financial freedom and security. Start by identifying one small step that you can take today to improve your financial situation. It could be as simple as tracking your daily expenses or setting aside a small amount of money into a savings account. Maybe it's creating a budget, setting a financial goal, or even just educating yourself more about personal finance. Each of these actions, no matter how small, can have a significant impact over time. Or perhaps it's having an honest conversation about money with a loved one. Open communication can help align your financial goals and create a supportive environment for achieving them. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool. By maintaining a positive and empowered relationship with money, you can overcome obstacles and stay motivated on your financial journey. By cultivating a positive and empowered relationship with money, you can achieve your financial dreams and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Visualize your goals and celebrate your progress no matter how small. So, what will your first step be? Will you start a savings plan, invest in your education, or perhaps seek advice from a financial advisor? The choice is yours, and every decision you make brings you closer to your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on mastering your money and achieving financial success. Stay informed, stay motivated, and take control of your financial future today.